Nice. That was a good bit, huh?
It is. It's really strong.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm here with Eric.
What's up, everybody? How you doing?
He's graced us today with his Chicago Cubs shirt, which he wears. Everybody thinks he wears it every day, but really, he's got 30 of them.
I do.
Man, you've had that thing for so many long. I mean,
I actually do have 30 of them. Once I find a deal, dude, I'd buy a whole bunch.
Are you serious?
You should see how many fishing poles I have, and I don't even fish.
You're crazy. You're crazy. You guys, I was at a show. I think it was SEMA. And you know when you see those crazy guys in the corner, they have like the messiest booth ever, right?
Yeah.
They got like all kinds of metal parts, and they're just like, the guy stands up, he's got the microphone, and like, yep, I got the best drill bits ever. Check this out. Drilling through like crazy steel, popping through. You don't believe it, right? Drill America was one of those booths. They sent us out some of their stuff, and we got to try it, and it is actually pretty good bits, you guys. I mean, we took them to the next door to the Manny and Jose. Even they checked them out, and we're like, wow, this bit is awesome. It produced a lot of heat when we went through, but didn't damage the bit. So there's definitely some kind of good technology going on with these guys. They sent us out this, it's called the Bit Cooler. It's basically a case that has 29 drill bits in it, and you're looking at about $168. But what do you think?
Now, what's that price for drill bits? Is that a good price compared to the other?
Well, you can get a whole Milwaukee
market?
kit for $30 at Home Depot.
They're all metal for metal drilling.
For metal drilling, yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't know if it's the same, kind of material. I'm not even sure what this stuff's made out of.
No, a couple things. First of all, like I always am a little weary of those guys in the corner, because usually they can actually say, okay, here's how we're going to use it in this type of environment. So it's nice for us to actually get and use it in the environment that we want. And since doing that, I think they're impressive. They're nice drill bits. They're quick. Like you said, they stay sharp.
Yeah, we were pretty impressed with them. We were running through stuff, you guys, and I mean, like, obviously, any drill bit's gonna dull, right?
Oh yeah, exactly.
But
it's just how many uses you get out of it before it dulls.
Yeah.
I don't mind paying more. I'll pay $2 or something if I can drill it 10 times, as opposed to, drilling 2 times for $1 bit,
That's the case with Diablo, right? You buy a Sawzall blade, right? Or a reciprocating saw blade. Are you gonna buy the $2.50 no name, or are you gonna spend that $7 for the Diablo, knowing that the no name's gonna last you 1 or 2 jobs, and the Diablo is probably gonna last you 10 jobs.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think that finding these guys was kind of cool. They definitely Drill America. They definitely have some cool drill bits. Now, what they're touting here also is this case that it comes in here. It's called the Bit Cooler, and it has rubber gaskets on it. So if you're out on a job site, if you're an electrician, if these stay in your truck, they're not going to rust or get anything like that going on.
You're not gonna get the moisture in there.
Yeah.
I actually like that case too.
No, it's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Now here's a carbide tipped hole cutter that we did. We ran this through the little piece of bumper, and it flew through, man. It even has the spring on it, so as it's going through, it's going to spring the material away from the bit when you're done. And it actually didn't heat up too bad, did it?
Not at all. I was ready to try. I mean, it pretty much was cool to the touch.
Yeah, as soon as we were done with it, it was like cool to the touch. So this one was actually going crazy through there. But I just wanted to give these guys a shout out, you guys. Drill America. Let's talk drill bits. What's your favorite drill bit?
And one thing too, this is 29, like Dan said, 29 piece. It's 1/16 to ½ inch, and it goes up by 1/64 increments. So you pretty much can get any size you want.
Yeah, if you're looking for a drill bit kit, this is the one to have. Now, the biggest problem with any kind of drill bit set is what?
Losing them.
Losing them. No
you
matter
always
what.
find that one, and it's always the one that you need too.
Yeah.
But there's always the little ones, I feel like. Those are the ones I always misplace.
Or snap or stuff like that. Because you're always so aggressive with the little ones. You're going through steel, you're like, just a little movement. Oh, it snaps.
Yep.
And I think that can happen with any drill bit. But
it can.
From our experience with these, you guys from next door, we definitely had a good time with them, and they're definitely
good times.
Well, no, I mean, in the shop
sure.
here, they're going to be the shop bits, and I'm going to kind of say they're the nicer shop bits, right? If someone comes over and says, "Can I borrow a drill bit?" I might give them that, case from the big box store and say, "Yeah, try one of these." And I rave about the Milwaukee titanium bits because they really are good.
I'm going to tell them next door to go, not these guys, but if anyone comes over borrowing a bit, I'll say, hey, go next door. They got the bits.
Yeah, that's what you do.
That's what you do. Never lend out any of your stuff. Lend out other people's stuff.
Yep. And what's the thing about lending out stuff, you guys? People will always come to you to get it, but when it's time to
And
get
they'll
it
come
back,
to you that day.
Yep, they'll come to you instantly. Where are you? I'll come get it. I'll come get it. But then they won't bring it back, right?
Never. And if you do get it back, which is rarely, it's definitely beat up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, dude, it happened to the log splitter.
Oh, it happened to a lot of stuff,
Yeah,
you know?
it's crazy. It's gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, dude, we don't loan stuff out anymore. So sorry for that.
I'm not sorry for that.
I'm not loaning out my stuff anymore. Even I loaned something to you and you ruined it. And he says no. My carpet cleaning machine. I had a brand new carpet cleaning machine. He said, can I borrow it? Dude, it came back filthy.
You're so full of it.
Dude,
You're
it came
so
back
full of
Why
it.
can't you accept that?
Because I remember downstairs, I was cleaning out my slop sink, everything on there, and I was taking everything out, and I actually took a brush and was washing some of it out because I know how anal you are. And I remember thinking, I'm like, I lost one of the parts, and I'm like, he's gonna know.
Okay. Do you know how to solve this?
I just don't care.
Don't loan anything out.
Yeah.
Perfect example. All right, you guys,
Nice.
Drill Bits, Drill America. Check them out. Comment below. I want to know what you guys think. Let's give them some love.
Hey, how much does this run?
$168.
$168.
I said that. Where were you?
I was not listening.
I know you're thinking of what you're gonna borrow next.
No, I already took stuff. I just steal from you now.
Oh, nice.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.